G'day guys, how are you, and welcome back to another video tutorial. This time around I'm going to show you how you can use the Stream Reader and Stream Writer with .NET Core. So let's begin. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to declare where my file is going to live. So I've written var file location equals, and because I'm using Ubuntu, I'm going to start off with the home directory, my username, the documents folder, and then the file's name that I'm going to call it. In this case I've just called textfile.txt. Now because I am using Ubuntu, I should be using forward slashes. Yeah, I guess good old Windows has got me with the backslashes just by habit now. Although I maybe could have used the @ symbol, but I'm not really too sure if that's just a Windows thing. Now I'm just going to write var writer equals system.io.file.create text. So I'm going to create a text file, and it's asking me where that file is going to live. I'm going to put it in the file's location. Now I'm going to say writer.write, so this is kind of like a stream writer. I'm going to write a little message in here, so hello there from .NET Core. And once that's done, I need to dispose of it, so yeah, just so I don't get any memory leaks, and if I want to access the file later, I can do so. Once that's done, I'm just going to write console.writeLine, and I'm just going to write task completed, just so I know that everything has completed. It's created the file, it's written the text, and it's disposed of it correctly. And after that, I'm going to say var reader equals system.io.file.read all text, and I'm going to select the file's location. And now I'm doing a loop for each string line in reader. Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to correct myself and do read all lines, as it is an array, and then I'm going to write console.writeLine line. And once again, I'm going to write console.writeLine task completed, just so I know that it has indeed completed the task, although I should be able to see within the terminal anyways. Okay, so for those of you that do not know how to get the C# environment working with core.net, there's a video link just back there. Click on it if you wish to learn more. So there we can see I've run it and the task completed, so it's completed the file, and then it's read the file back to the terminal, and then so it's saying task completed. So now if I go to my documents folder, we can actually see the text file there, and hello there from .NET Core. So fantastic, so that's working beautifully. Now another way that we can also read the file, for those of you that are interested, and it kind of gives you a little bit more control over it, I suppose, in some sense. So once again, var reader equals system.io.file.open text this time. So we're going to open the text file, and I'm selecting the file that I want to open. And then I'm saying string line. This is going to be basically a blank line, so in this case for this loop, so while line equals reader.readLine, and then I'm writing is not equal null, so while that line is not nothing, if that makes sense. So the line is equaling whatever the reader's line is, but while it's not nothing, we're going to do a loop, and we're going to say console.writeLine, and we're just going to put the line in there. So as soon as that line is equal to null, then it's going to jump out of that loop and it's going to dispose that reader. Okay. Now you may have noticed before I didn't do dispose because I did a loop. There was no need for it, but since I'm using the system reader, I need to then use the dispose. So there you go guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.